Hello guys, this is PV Power Africa Solar, and today we want to give you a direction of where we are located. For those who are in Kisumu and its environment, just on your way to the airport, this is Busia Road. Just on your way to the airport, you will see batch filling station. This is just next to the new fire station, the Kisumu fire station, and on my right, on my left is the Kikomi factory, for those who are aware of Kikomi factory. So if you want to reach our place, you'll see the batch filling station, and then just as you get in, you'll see the entrance to the new railway station. So I'll just give you a closer look of the gate. So just as you get into the new railway station, you'll see the signage there, written Power Africa Solar. So as you get in, you'll find the security guard there at the gate. So let me get in and show you where we are located. As you get in, you'll find this entrance, just the first to go down to the new railway station. So you will see the first entrance written PV Tech. You can see the signages and the advertisement on the door. So as you get in, this is where PV Tech Kisumu office is. So this is the office. So we would like to tell our viewers that we have panels in stock. We have panels ranging from 305 watts